What is going on, guys? Josh White here, and you're watching another episode of the JDub Twins. Before we get started, please hit that subscribe button down below so you can get notified of our latest videos. I'm here with my wife Macy.
Hi, my name's Macy. I'm his wife.
We're just gonna be out here going on an adventure. It's a beautiful day outside, Labor Day weekend. Let's get it. Driving right now for a little bit. This car is perfectly fine to do road trips in. I'm not sure if I kind of covered that before, but we've been on the road for about 45 minutes now, and I personally think it's been a comfortable drive. How about you?
It's pretty comfortable.
Yeah, she was knocked out for about a good 30 minutes of the ride, so I'd say it's pretty comfortable. We're gonna do a quick walk around the car. So far, the quarter window scoops are hanging on. Haven't had any issues with them falling off or anything, or you know, the fitment being loose or anything. They've been pretty solid. Again, I absolutely love this car. Have no complaints. Daily driver, take it on vacation, drive it several hundred miles, no issues. It's just a fun car to drive. Again, the Magnarite suspension is awesome because you can adjust the stiffness of the suspension. So usually when I do highway driving, I'll keep it in normal mode, you know, soak up all those bumps, or if there are any bumps on the highway, and then I'll sometimes put it in track mode, just, you know, if I happen to do any spirited driving along the way. Got everything?
Yes. Let's go.
All right. Again, like I said, going on an adventure, so car's gonna chill here and we will be on our way. That's it, guys. Just a quick little video. You know, a trip to the beach. Just picked up some sushi.